Hello students, this is a quick project, a quick tutorial to show you how to upload a photo from your computer into Adobe Express and then play with it or edit it. Okay, so for this project I'm actually going to do the Googly Eyes project. So I'm going to start with the picture that I downloaded. I'm going to just move that over there. Okay, I am going to now start from a photo. So I'm going to start up here on the screen and click from a photo. And then I have a photo that's in my downloads folder. And I'm going to add that to the screen. So here I'm just dragging it from my downloads folder into the screen. And I'm going to start with this picture. I don't need to do anything else here. I'm going to say start with this photo. Okay, and then then I can start editing it. So I might want to play with some of the settings. I might want to brighten it, or I might want to change some of these settings to make it look, or maybe I want to make it look dark. And maybe that will highlight, and I can make this little, it's like a little container. I want to make it stand out. Okay, so that's pretty cool. I like that dark in the background, and then this kind of stands out. And then I'm going to go over to here and I'm going to click on shapes. So shapes gives me the idea, to give me the ability to, let me move my picture again. I'm going to find some eyes. So I can add shapes to my photo here. So I'm going to click on eyes. I'm going to type in eyes, and then now you see I have lots and lots of different eye choices here. Now the one I did in for the example, I used eyes like this. I kind of think this looks like something tough, kind of like armor, like a knight has. So I'm going to choose these eyes. Okay, and there they are up here. Okay, now you'll notice right now, they don't stand out very good, and that's because the color is not right. I think what it did is it tried to pick colors that were in here. So I'm just going to change this to white. So I'm just going to click on this color box, and then I'm going to drag this up to this corner up here. Okay, and then I can play around with the size. So I think the eyes should fit about here. Okay, this thing over here kind of, even though it's not really part of this, it kind of looks like some kind of like something like a hat or hair or something. It's not actually part of that container, but it makes it look like it. So I could do that. I could play around with some different colors, see if different colors would work. So I'm thinking bright yellow. So that's kind of cool. Now I could do other things here. So see the little circles? I could fill those. I'm going to search for circles, and then I'm going to drag the circle out here, and I'm going to make it white. And I'm going to make it really small, and I'm going to put it behind. I want to zoom in a bit over here. Whoa. There you go. So I'm going to make this so that it goes behind, or it doesn't want to go smaller than that. Okay, so that's okay. That fits in there. And then I'm going to bring this layer. So here's some layers, and I'm going to drag this behind the other eyes. Okay, so now it's there. You can see it's like kind of now flip behind. It went behind the eye. So I'm going to zoom out and see if that makes a difference. Yeah, it's not bad. The white doesn't show up very good. What about if I make it black? That's cool. Or what about red? Ooh, yeah, that looks a little bit more evil, doesn't it? Okay, so if I think I can duplicate that. Yeah, okay, now I've got a second one. I'm going to bring it over here. Okay, now I've got two. Okay, so now I have these yellow eyes with red. I could probably change this a little bit. I can see that the red is sticking out, but now you can see I've added Google Eyes in a digital way. Okay, and then I go download, PNG, start. Okay, and then I've completed that first photo. And I can do that with 3 more photos before I make my collage. And when I make the collage, I'm going to bring all these photos together into one image. Okay, hope that was useful.